In this demo, I'm going to show you how we can make use of the deployment wizard to deploy an integration services project to a SQL instance. To start off this demo, let me go into Business Intelligence Development Studio. In Bits, I've already opened a project, and this project consists of 4 packages. Let me build the project. You'll see that build has succeeded. Now, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy this build integration services project to a SQL instance. Right-click on the project and choose Deploy. This will launch the deployment wizard. And let me click Next. And you'll see that please select a project deployment file. Because you are deploying from within Bits, you'll see that the path has already been pre-populated. Let me click Next. Right now it's trying to say, where do you want to deploy this integration services project to? I could either deploy to an existing folder, or I can select any of the folders that I have on the SQL instance. In this case, I'm going to deploy to the folder called Staging, and the name of the project that's being deployed is called DW Load. I click Next. In this Configure Parameters page, you can then define default values for the integration services project. You'll be able to see all the parameters, both the project parameters as well as the package level parameters in this Configure Parameters page. You can then either specify a value, or you can say that make use of the design default value, which is specified when you are designing the project or the packages in Bits. Let me click Next. At this point, it asks you to review that you are going to deploy the project called dwload.ispack to the server. And in this server, you're going to deploy this project to a staging folder. Once this is done, you click Deploy. At this point, the deployment wizard is trying to deploy the project to a SQL instance. When this is done, you have successfully deployed an integration services project to a SQL instance. Thank you.